Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set a custom homepage in Microsoft Edge on your PC. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open Microsoft Edge browser from your PC. And normally you will see an interface like this. Now you have to go to settings, and to do that, normally click on this three horizontal bar and then choose settings. And now from the left side menu, click on Start Home and New Tab Page. Under the When Edge starts, click on Add a New Page. And here, enter the URL of the website you want as your home page. For example, you can type here google.com and press on this Add button. And now, scroll down a bit and check this box. And from here, check this box also and enter the same URL here. And finally, click on this Save button. And finally, choose this option. And that's all. Now, every time if you open your Microsoft Edge browser, it is going to visit your desired website. And that's it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.